Hadien Phew Tylli ki Snem paidbah ki jingeh haka thaiñ Mawhati halor ka jingsniew ka Surok khmih lynti ya ka Surok thymmai katei ka jingangnud ki paidbah Snem Urlong no shen Hadien Myntri Rangbah ka jylla Conrad Sangma mynta ka sngi ula leit bu yo mawnongrim Mawhati naka benta ban Siang Rong no shen ya utei Surok Umsning-Jagi Road. Yauteu surok lamang pisah hadu prapulai point laipu praklur limba ka Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project blabai pisah daka World Bank bajangai kumba 10 kilometer. Hakati ka singi lasaki lang daka jingdan lang Bah Dasakhiatbha Lamare MLA ka Mawhati badairu Myntri Transport ka jylla Sosthenes Sohtun MLA ka Rangbah Macdalyne Mawlong MLA Umsning Wailad Shylla MLA Jowai, Rakesh Sangma Chairman GHADC, Kakong Macdalyne Mawlong MDC Umsning, Bah Victor Rani MDC Jylla, Bah Neng Secretary PWD, BP Marak Chief Engineer, But Kiweki Head Officer, Naga District, But PWD.
And starts earliest. And so I thank the Honorable MLA for his initiative. And I thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for his initiative. And thank the World Bank for the support that we have received to implement this particular project. A lot of people have been asking us why the government of Meghalaya is taking so much of funding from banks. Why 12,000 crores of externally aided projects through banks? Why should we take all this loan? I would like to take this opportunity to clarify to the people of our state that when we get externally aided projects like the one we are making now to the World Bank, 80% is grant given to the Meghalaya state. 80%. And it is only 20% that the government of Meghalaya has to pay. So there is no question of loan. Immediately 20% out of the cost of the project is paid by Meghalaya and 80% is paid by Government of India. So there is no question of any loan component. So if this project is 83 crores, then out of the 83 crores, approximately 16.6 crores is being paid by Government of Meghalaya, and the rest of the amount is being paid by Government of India. And hence this is one of the best funding patterns that the state can get. And today, Meghalaya is one of the best performing states when it comes to externally aided projects, where we have received over 12,000 crores, the highest any state has seen. And not only have we received the highest sanction, but because of the good work and the implementation that we have done, these financial institutions have sanctioned even more money for the state of Meghalaya. And through these different projects and the funds that we got, many long pending roads and projects have been taken up. We just heard our local MLA mention that this road has been completely neglected for last 40 years. Similarly, roads
of foundation stone, I could say, because this is a road that has been idle, that has been like this, the way you saw it when we were coming all the way from Umsning. It has been this way for the past 40 to 45 years, if I'm not mistaken. And you might be surprised to know, sir, that the first and the last time who felt pity about Mawhati constituency to give us the black topping was your late father, sir, when he was the Chief Minister. And the people of Mawhati constituency, before electing me as the MLA from the National People's Party, had no doubt that me as a representative of the NPP, the same time with you, with your family by my side, we had no doubt that we will be able to finish this one task, which is one of the most important, that is to make it new, bring it again the way your late father has done it, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for proving us right from the beginning. And on behalf of the constituency of Mawhati, sir, I thank you so much, so much for considering to make this project a priority. No problem if it's a bit late, but our dream has come true. The jing posniu ke jongap ke jong pi pai Mawhati ke lajah sha denam bena. Na syukwa akan penting di pi kendian hangling so akan penting ya ke jingkren ba kasin ke berengkong ba kasin ke khadu ke bengiau kan Siang Rong yang Surok Mawhati ke dai hakapor jong ipa jong honorable chief minister jong late Sir Conrad Sangma. Hakitu gisnem ke Wailad chief minister dai thymmai iba beni ke jing Sosthenes ban ai ni ke Surok Mawhati nadu katu kapor. But kung mangi khmih lynti nadu ba shwa ba pin ai ke jing kershan yang aru bonong kumunong yala munong mikmat jupi wat ada ka slem kapor sipang arbang yang iban pernah bro. Kung mangi la khmih lynti kung mangi kerman ba kani ke parti jong late Sir P Sangma kani ke jing alam jong khon jong nginyo ikening surok mynta kasi kala urlong. Dengan agalyang jong aku munong mikmat bapila tung bapila ay kabor batu bapila shanya teli telah awar zakat pra nganong ipi kani de kesni kebansa jigemau syirta jing
kabatip top panchnala ready Surok Mawhati Surok Mawhati dah kabatip top panchnala ready wailang Surok Mawhati Surok Mawhati dah kabatip top panchnala ready. Oh kawai lagi surok hakani ka jylla kabala heyo hapo social media sorta ka syakin to like ho cak rencatan hamtam you know mikman Bah Dasakhiatbha oh hapren gajing syaben hapren gajing syanyon Dasakhiatbha persyang banwan rakyat kapon hakane kakenti layok ponang kawal bang surok taladat siang banyak dulas ngobang Surok Mawhati